Most people think making an extra $10,000 means quitting their job, starting a risky business, or working 18 hours a day. But that's not true. In fact, the easiest way to make your first extra $10,000 is while keeping your 9 to 5, because your job gives you something most broke entrepreneurs don't have: stable cash flow. And once you understand how to use that cash flow correctly, making an extra $10,000 becomes stupid simple. Here's the mistake most people make. They try to become rich overnight. They start drop shipping, trade crypto, buy random courses, and jump from side hustle to side hustle. But wealthy people usually do something much more boring. They increase income, lower unnecessary spending, and funnel the difference into assets and scalable skills. That's it. So here's a realistic blueprint to make your first $10,000 while still working full-time. Step 1. Stop relying on one source of income. Your salary is good for survival, but it's terrible for building wealth fast. If your job pays you $3,000 a month and you only save $200 monthly, you'll be waiting forever. Instead, you need a second stream of income that works after work hours. And no, it doesn't need to be complicated. The easiest side hustles right now are skill-based: video editing, copywriting, graphic design, social media management, UGC content, thumbnail design, AI automation, or simple freelance services. Why? Because businesses already need these things. You're not inventing demand. You're solving problems people already pay for. And thanks to AI tools, you can learn most of these skills faster than ever before. Here's the important part. Don't try to master 10 skills. Pick one high-income skill and get dangerously good at it. That's where the money is. Because if you can make a business more money, they'll gladly pay you. Let's say you learn video editing. You spend 30 days practicing after work. Reach out to creators and businesses and land just 2 clients paying $500 a month. That's an extra $1,000 monthly. In less than a year, you've made over $10,000. Not from gambling, not from luck, from a skill. And this is why skills are powerful. They scale. Your 9 to 5 income is usually capped, but a skill-based side income has almost no ceiling. Now step 2, don't inflate your lifestyle. This is where most people fail. The moment they start making extra money, they upgrade everything. New phone, expensive clothes, better car, more eating out. And suddenly the extra income disappears. Wealthy people think differently. They use extra income to buy freedom. That means investing, buying assets, or reinvesting into systems that make more money. Because the goal isn't looking rich. The goal is becoming financially independent. Even if you make an extra $1,000 monthly and invest most of it consistently, your life changes permanently. Especially if you invest into simple, long-term assets like index funds, ETFs, or building your own digital business. Small amounts invested consistently become massive over time. That's the power of compounding. And here's the crazy part. Most people only need one solid side income stream to completely change their financial future. Not 5 businesses, not becoming famous, not going viral. Just one scalable income source built slowly over time. Now step 3, use your free time strategically. Most people leave work and spend 5 hours scrolling social media, watching Netflix, or consuming content all night. That's where your future disappears. You do not need 8 hours a day to build extra income. You need consistency. Even 2 focused hours every evening can completely change your life within a year. That's over 700 hours annually. Imagine spending 700 hours building a valuable skill instead of consuming entertainment. The average person massively underestimates what can happen in 12 months. And here's another thing nobody talks about. Your 9 to 5 can actually fund your freedom. Because while your bills are covered, you can take smarter risks. You can experiment, learn, build, and invest without desperation. That's a huge advantage. So stop seeing your job as the enemy. Use it as leverage. Use it to buy time, buy skills, buy assets, and buy opportunities. That's how smart people escape the paycheck to paycheck cycle. And remember, your first $10,000 matters more psychologically than financially. Because once you realize you can make money outside your job, everything changes. Your confidence changes. Your mindset changes. Your standards change. You stop feeling trapped. And that's the beginning of real financial freedom. If you want more strategies about building wealth, increasing income, and escaping the 9 to 5 trap, join our newsletter. Every week, we send professionally made newsletters packed with powerful financial freedom strategies, mindset shifts, and actionable tips you can actually use. Link in the description.